Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. It's very simple. Let's start. Most of you guys not subscribing. If you subscribe, I'll be so happy. And I've seen from your eyes. Thanks for those videos. I really like those tutorials you made for the Rubik's Cube. Yeah, let's get started. Okay, bring your timer up. Count how many seconds I did. Bring your timer now. I think you brought your timer now, so let's get over. 3, 2. Pa 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 boom boom. Down a boom bam boom ba dom brain the moment scene. Oh my god, this is so good. Let's make the cheese. How can this not happen? Yes, yes, yes. Okay, let's do it. Across. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah. Yes, yes. Only in the colors. This is a hard part. Okay. Okay. We're getting close. Okay. We're getting close. Come on. Come on. Come on. It takes a little bit of time to do this. Yes, yes, yes. Now for the main part. You have to turn on the other side. Yeah, that's easy, boy. Yes, see? Yes. See? This is how I solve Rubik's Cube. This is so easy. Let me know in the comments. I'll make your own videos for my reference. Tell how many seconds it'll take, how many minutes it'll take. Well, I'm not a speed cuber, but I'll be a speed cuber. And a space scientist and a musician. I don't know what I'll be. At least I can solve the Rubik's Cube. And I'm gonna upload a video on my birthday as well in 2022, which is on 24th December. And why am I telling the future? So you have to give me Rubik's Cube from mom. Oh, you don't give me this. How will you know my address? I don't know. I'm just joking, okay? That's stupid. Wee. Let's put in the box. Goes million. Folded algorithm. It's folded. And boom. Take it out. Now don't force in. And if you obviously wanna, watch 2x2 how I solve it, subscribe, like, share. Then I'll learn the Rubik's Cube 2x2. This is a 2x2. I'm seriously telling you. This is a 2x2. I don't know how to play. I'm learning. Great. Let's go. Okay, so thanks for watching. And please subscribe, comment down below, like, share, all my Saproco. Say goodbye to India. Bruh.